Hi, we've got exciting updates from the open network. TON made a strong impact at TOKEN2049 Singapore and formed a new collaboration with Curve Finance. Let's dive in. TON made its mark at TOKEN2049, the world's largest crypto event. Through side events, TON developers and enthusiasts showcased the ecosystem's innovation and creativity. The TON and Telegram Mini App Builders Day was a success. It gave developers a chance to showcase their mini apps and gain hands-on experience with TON. It was the perfect environment for collaboration, with direct access to TON experts who helped refine projects and explore the future of decentralized apps. Meanwhile, Blum, TONX, and TON Society hosted open art at the National Gallery Singapore, blending blockchain and art in a space focused on freedom of expression. Attendees engaged in discussions on the fusion of art and technology, capturing the essence of both. A standout moment was MEMECON, DCENTRAL, MEMELANDIA, an event merging meme coin culture with the crypto world. Held at the JW Marriott, it featured industry panels and a $2,000 meme coin giveaway, celebrating creativity, crypto, and community. Lastly, Degen Meetup 2.0 brought together major internet communities to discuss decentralization and the future of blockchain. With speakers from TON Society and TON Ventures, it was a hub for thought-provoking conversations about blockchain's future. Want to dive deeper into these events? Check the links in the description for more details. TON's latest big move is collaborating with Curve Finance, a leading DeFi platform. Together, they're incubating a new stable swap project on the TON blockchain, using Curve's CFMM technology. This will make token swaps on TON easier and more efficient for users. Curve Finance's founder, Michael Egorov, will advise the project, with the development team selected through an open and transparent process. VCRV token holders can also expect a native token airdrop as part of the collaboration. This collaboration follows the impressive growth of Tether's USDT on TON, reaching $729.9 million, Tether's fastest growing launch to date. As demand for stablecoin trading on TON rises, this stable swap project aims to further improve the trading experience. That's it for today's update. From events at TOKEN2049 to the new stable swap collaboration with Curve Finance, TON's presence in the crypto world continues to grow. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next big news. See you next time.